Let's go. That's stressful.
Maman. Maman. Je regrette. Are you okay?
Yeah. How you doing?
Perfectly.
Yeah.
It's easy for me. So I'm walking because Brian said that he's gonna fall with the motorbike and he don't want me to fall, so I have to walk. I hope it's gonna be okay. Did you fall?
No.
Huh?
No, I didn't fall.
Go.
It was easy, but I did not fall.
We can go.
So we've managed to make it to the top of a mountain. We drove a motorcycle up here and then we're walking. And there's supposed to be a Laguna Verde somewhere over there. My French companion's freaking out. She had a little episode or something in there. It's kind of funny. But
It's gonna rain.
yeah, I think it's gonna rain.
And we can't see anything.
I know.
We were driving for hours. I was tired. We can't see anything. No, seriously, it's raining.
Okay, let's go. Cheers.
Our bodies get bigger, but our hearts get torn.